Within KLM we fly now paperless since summer of 2015. Of course there are the fuel savings, the weight savings, but also a very big advantage is all the logistics around it. With all the navigation bags, for the 7.3 fleet it was not that big because they were equipped with so-called AROC based, they were changed during the AROC on the 7.3 in the small fleet, but especially the intercontinental fleet. All the flight bags, 3 and about 45 kilos plus, they had to be changed every flight, and that was sometimes a logistical nightmare. But we've done it for a long time, and there's a very big advantage, and also for the pilots, of course. They don't have to go through all the hassle and all the binders to find their alternate airport. It's there in mPilot at a click of the finger. KLM was also one of the early adopters, and that were the so-called legacy apps. The 3, IRM, ERM, if I recall correctly, and DocView. And well, they were all integrated in a single app, mPilot. We're very happy with that, a very good vision of Lido. And especially on the charting side, we really see the advantages and developments, the interchangeability with our Briefer app, which is a different app than we use and Lido is offering at the moment. But route import, etc., everything is there on the navigational side. But also KLM is a heavy user of the documents module, and it's a little bit lacking on development on that side. And we would like to see the coming years some new development and new features, because we have a lot of, all our operational documents are in there. Sometimes very heavy documents like the MEL, about 2,000-3,000 pages, and sometimes it keeps crashing. So we have to look into that, and we made that aware yesterday on the focus group. And I think we have a consensus on both sides that we have to start developing again on the documents module, because it's very handy for the pilot. He has all he needs on the documentation side, charting, operation manual in one single app, and we would really like to keep it that way. mPilot, in our point of view, really contributes to safe and efficient operation, and the safety is especially there. If you're in bad weather, somewhere over congested Europe, and you have to have a diversion, in the old days you have to dig for the charts in the binders, look them up, keep talking to ATC, planning your diversion route. And now in mPilot, it's there at the clipboard, and again at one click of the finger, you have your alternate there, and you only have to worry about planning an ATC. So that's a really safety enhancer. Yeah, all the information is there. We tested within KLM, I think about 2 months ago, we started field testing with 4 dedicated pilots on dedicated routes, the BED-ELF solution for the AMM. The first impression of the pilots, they were very impressed with the feature itself, the AMM. It worked very fine. There was some feedback we gave to Lido, and we're now developing together the second field test. And I just heard from our success manager that it will be probably, we can restart the field test within 2 or 3 weeks. So we're really looking forward to that. And yes, it's a safety enhancer, absolutely. You have constantly your position on the airfield, especially when airfields are congested. The big airfields like Chicago, like New York, where you have to go, where you are sent all over the place. And it's very good to have, at one glance, actually your position and your situational awareness. Yeah. That was the feedback we gave from the pilots, and that's also the feedback we gave to you. Concerning the recommendation from our side to other customers, I would really recommend the solution we have at the moment, and that's mPilot. That's not the ERM, the Windows-based, but especially the iOS-based. And I think we already did that via our success manager. We are very happy. We're pleased with the performance and the features up to now, and also the foreseen roadmap of Lido for the next coming years. Really looking forward and also contributing to that development from our side, our operational input on that side. So yes, I would recommend it to other users. Absolutely.